Today, we are discussing 3 outreach strategies that I'm going to use starting tomorrow to build my $1 million a year AI automation agency. By the end of 30 days, the goal is to have an agency that does $83,333 a month. Today is day 5 and a weekend, so it's all about the strategy for next week. This is so crucial. We have to have at least 2 clients by end of the week to keep on track. So we need to be strategic about this. 2 days ago, I have tried to reach out to 100 people, but ended up reaching out to 53 people, and it was too much effort and investment, and the responses might come in this week, next week, or never. We have to have something today, at least this week. So we need to figure out something else that works. We have to move quick. We need that magical number, those 20 clients to hit this challenge. I can keep doing the same. It's like Albert Einstein said, doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results is insanity. So what did I learn from my massive outreach 2 days ago? 1, it's too much effort for what may or may not work. 2, it would have been great strategy if we did that after confirming that it works. Anyway, hindsight 2020, you'll never lose if you are learning. So that brings us to 2 new strategies that I'm going to discuss today, which requires less effort and less investment. Well, at least one of them is. And the second method, if done right, can be a home run to your AI automation agency business. First, we have what I'm calling a carpet bomb method. What do I mean by that, and what do you need for that? You will need one chatbot. For example, you're targeting fitness niche. You need this chatbot to be connected to a knowledge base that has a ton of fitness advice and fitness material. And you will do one video for the whole niche. I will show an example video in a minute. So you'll be using that video to send out all the people in that niche. And it really helps if you use an outreach tool like Replic, so that the prospect's website will be displayed on back of the screen. And I will show you what exactly needs to be said in the video and the message itself, because the message is really important. For this message section to make sense, you need to watch day 3 video where I built using my own website Grey Matter AI. Once it's done, we copied the URL, we made an account on Replic. This is what we chose: upload or record video and websites for the video background. And we chose to upload our own video file. Once we selected that, hit next, continue with this video only. This is where we imported the CSV file with all our leads, and these leads should have first name, last name, and email address. You can add any number of leads that you choose to. For this example, I'm using random URLs. Once we hit next, we are using Replic's website in the background, but in our main video, our client's website will show up in here. Now I have added this video title, description, button text, and button link. The button text will show up here. The title is here, and the first name, last name will be imported from the CSV file. Once we hit start video creation, it will take some time to finish the videos. Once it's done, let's hit show me the videos. Okay, it took a few minutes and it's ready. Let's hit preview. This example, it's using HubSpot in the background, and there is one with the Salesforce, and finally instantly.ai. Now if you look at this, you have 2 options. This is copy this video HTML code. Let's copy this and head on over to our email and see how that would look like. This is the message that I prepared. We have to acknowledge, compliment, and ask. This is called ACA method by Alex Hormozy. So we acknowledge someone. Congrats on reaching 1100 subscribers on YouTube. Thank you guys. And we compliment them. I'm one of them, and keep up the great work. Now we will bring in the ask here. I help creators save time, improve efficiency, and increase ROI by leveraging AI. I'm only taking a handful of clients since it's relatively new tech. Do you know someone that can benefit from my services? You see how we copied the embed link earlier, pasted it here. This is what they would see. This is the random name that they generated. You will see your prospective client's name here and says watch video. I'm also attaching the bot here. Let's see how it would look like on LinkedIn if we copy and paste it and send it to your clients. This is what they would see on LinkedIn. The website will be scrolling and they will see their name, their website, and you speaking. And if when you hit that, they will be redirected to, let me play this video. Hey, your website looks great, but I'm sure you're leaving a lot of money on the table. I bet the visitors of your website or funnel have a lot of unanswered questions that frequently asked questions are not covering. Now imagine having a virtual receptionist that can answer any question that your visitor might have, that has all the knowledge about your business. Not just that, you can even capture the lead and send this lead to a CRM or subscribe them to an email sequence. All of that is possible with AI. I have shared a demo chatbot that we made for another client in the space. So play around with it, ask the bot a few questions, see how it responds. If you find this even remotely interesting, please book a discovery call with us. If you don't, that's completely okay. If you can share a sentence or two as to why it wouldn't work for you, that would mean world to me. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you. And prospect can now book a free call, and when they hit this button, they will be redirected to your Calendly page. If you are getting value from this, like this video and subscribe to my channel to follow along with my journey. Okay, ideally you need a VA. I don't have one yet, but I'm planning on hiring one. You will have this VA prepare a list of 25 to 50 people a day. You will make personalized, well, when say personalized, it's click of a button, personalized videos for them, and send out 25 to 50 of these outreach messages a day. We will prepare one video for a niche and we drop it and see what happens. That is method 1. Method 2, I'm calling this Hitman method. You need a sniper like precision to make this method work. You have to be following this person for a while now, and my suggestion is don't go too big or too small. In mid 6-figure or less than 1 million following would be perfect for this method, because they know that they communicate with their fans and they built the following over the years and well known in the space. You will build an AI persona chatbot that has all the data, whether it's their podcasts or YouTube videos or blog posts. You don't have to include everything, but at least their most famous works would be perfect. I will show an example of that as well. Again, I cannot stress this enough. For this method to work, you have to know the person. You have to have a lot of info on the person you are reaching out to, and you need to be sincere about this. If you are only following them in the past couple of months, say that, compliment them as to how their work influenced you or what you like about their work, stuff like that. And 3, if they do decide to work with you, if they did like the bot, we will deliver that for free. That's what I'm planning to do. I cannot say that you should do it for free, but in my opinion, when they try the bot and give you feedback, tell you that they liked it, is a huge win in and of itself. The reason that I'm delivering this for free is when we get a testimonial from them, it's like hitting a home run. And that testimonial is worth more than any money that they could give you. And you'll be making a name for yourself in that space and AI automation agency space as well. So these are the three methods that I am employing over the next week. So that is the game plan. We send out 25 to 50 messages in the carpet bomb method, and one or once every 2 days with the hitman method. And finally, we will track what we already sent out in the massive outreach that we did 2 days ago. Using these three strategies, my plan is to get at least 2 to 3 clients by end of the week. Since you are only making a handful of bots, I strongly recommend that you use great tools to build it. If you don't know which tool to use, watch this video next.